Alright guys, how you doing? In this video, I've got to sort out this mess of an X-Maxx that we done at the skate park the other day. We knackered the front shock, there's a shock shaft there. Knackered the rear shock shaft's alright, but it's just a plastic ball cup came off. Rear arm's broken here. Probably the worst damage is the rear bulkhead. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's split right there and you could see the diff out of that the other day. It's kind of sort of closed back up again, so you can't really see it. But I've done a video of all those bits before, so I'm not going to go and make a detailed video of that again here. I mean, I'm going to put a link about here somewhere to where you can find the video where I fix the shocks. And then I'll put another link around about here somewhere where I fix the rear bulkhead. So I'm going to do a quick time lapse so you can watch that. But for in-depth guys, check out them other videos. Alright, so here's the centre drive shaft. We call it a prop shaft here in the UK. I know you Americans say that's only supposed to be for a boat. Busted a rear drive shaft, well, bent it. So I could straighten it out, but I think I'll replace it. The rear diff, it was clicking where it was skipping around inside the broken bulkhead. I probably could get away with using it again. You know, I did use it again last time I broke a bulkhead. But I'm going to replace it this time round. It's been in there for over a year now. It's done really well. Can't fault the diffs in this Traxxas X-Maxx. Got an Integi centre drive shaft. I've been told they're stronger, so we will find that out if they are or not. It does certainly feel a little bit heavier. Also got these, broken this little bottom cap here. So I'm going to have to replace that. And broke the bottom skid centre plate section, whatever you want to call it. That's the first time I've broken that, so that's not bad going. Alright, so there you have it, guys. She's all fixed up again, back up to full health, ready for some more bashing. Parts-wise, I did break a little bit more than what I first thought. So we busted a drive shaft, well, bent it, broke a rear arm, broke a rear diff cap, rear lower bulkhead, chassis section lower, skid plate thingamajig, inner skid plate thingamajig, shock shaft, shock rod end, drive cup, that's actually got a crack in it. Might be able to use it again, but it's definitely seen better days. Rear diff, can't really include that because it's sort of been knackered for a while and I've still been using it, and I probably could still use it, but I've replaced it anyway. Someone did say in the comments before, can you say how much it costs each time? Well, it's difficult. You know, these parts cost differently everywhere in the world. So I'm going to lay out all the parts that I needed to repair it this time round, and you guys can just search the part numbers yourself if you're interested and see in your country how much the parts would cost. I'm kind of probably, as a guess, we're probably talking about £100 here, maybe $120 to put it right, something like that. That's a guess. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. Plenty of bashing videos, repair videos, unboxing videos, loads of other stuff coming up soon. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye.